One of the most common grammar mistakes in everyday writing is confusing your and your. Even people who generally write very well occasionally hesitate, for a moment at least, when choosing between those two words. If you have ever paused mid sentence, mid text, or mid email, wondering which one is correct, you are definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to eliminate this confusion once and for all completely as part of the developing Wordman Grammar System. This is a structured framework that I'm building into a complete grammar reference book so that grammar becomes logical, reliable, and easy to apply instead of something that you second guess under pressure. The distinction between your and your is actually very simple once you see the pattern clearly. Your is a possessive word. It shows ownership. Your is a contraction that simply means you are. The fastest way to determine which one is correct is to temporarily replace the word with you are. If the sentence still makes sense, then your is correct. And if the sentence sounds strange or incorrect when you say you are, then you want your instead. Consider the sentence, your writing is improving. In this sentence, the word shows ownership because the writing belongs to you. Your is correct. It's your writing after all. Now consider the sentence, you're improving quickly. Well, the phrase means you are improving quickly, right? The contraction, your, is correct. So when you test the sentence using you are, the correct choice usually becomes obvious very quickly. This distinction matters more than people sometimes think. Mixing up your and your is one of the fastest ways to unintentionally reduce credibility in emails and in professional writing, or even social media posts as casual as they can be. Readers will tend to notice this particular mistake very easily, and although it's a simple correction, it signals attention to detail and clear thinking. And that is exactly the kind of improvement the Wordman Grammar System is designed to support. The system organizes grammar into practical rules that can be applied quickly and confidently. So here is your quick recognition test. If you can replace the word with you are and the sentence still sounds correct, use your. If the sentence needs to show ownership, use your. Possession equals your, you are equals your. And once this simple check becomes habit, then this confusion tends to disappear quite permanently. And this is part of a larger system that makes grammar predictable rather than frustrating. And that's the overall goal of the Wordman Grammar System as it continues to be developed into a complete reference book.